I caught this viral post ni Esnir of PBB. It's all about him getting a call na humihingi ng pera. At ang sabi doon, never talagang nangungumusta. It's actually very painful to read, and unfortunately it's more painful because we realize na common siya. It's actually common for many Filipino families. So what are three things that came to my mind as I was reading that post? Yung una is this. Malulungkot talaga tayo kung meron tayong expectations. Yun talaga yung una. Kung ang expectation natin, dapat nangamusta muna, dapat ganito muna, dapat ganito muna, malulungkot tayo. Hindi fair at hindi valid na may expectations, pero choice natin yun. If we expect and it does not happen, we will be sad. Number 2, ang sa tingin kong mahalaga din is i-manage din natin yung expectation nila. Ano naman yung may expect nila sa atin? Kung if we make them expect na bigay tayo ng bigay, well, nasa sa atin na yon. Tayo din magsa-struggle. Here's a tip that I usually share, and I got this from a post I read somewhere. Sabi nga, pag nanghihiram, wag kang nalang magpahiram. Magbigay ka na lang with a prayer, with a clear message na sana ito na yung last, na hindi ka nahihiram next time. At sana, next time, ikaw yung magpapahiram sa iba. Ikaw na ang magbibigay ng tulong sa iba. So, ibig sabihin, we use that as an opportunity to share na life is all about movement, and hindi pwedeng we get stuck na tayo na lang yung nanghihiram all the time. So if we're communicating that na sana I'm wishing na makaahon ka, na makatulong ka din sa iba, hindi yung ikaw lang ang hingi ng hingi. Usually that works. And ako personally, nakakatulong siya sa akin at nag-work sa akin yung ganon. Thirdly, usually yung mga ganong comments and situations, family dynamics. Unfortunately, maraming situation where kids feel na parang abused by their parents psychologically or emotionally, na wala talagang psycho-emotional support. Pero kung iisipin mo, wala na tayong magagawa doon. The abuse, the psychological damage, the emotional pain, they're already there. What I'm hoping is that we don't pass it on to our kids or to our own children, that we will become better parents when it's our time to become parents. At ang pangalawa din, ang assurance na ganito. Usually yung mga tao na dumadaan sa matinding pain, psychological or emotional na challenges na ganun, they actually end up very successful because it drives them to survive. It drives them to cope. It drives them to want to be in a better position, na hindi yung sila yung humihingi. And that's precisely what's happening, na sila ang hinihingan ng tulong. And I guess we'll end with that, na mas mabuti na siguro tayo yung hinihingan ng tulong kaysa tayo yung humihingi ng tulong. But I wish you healing. I wish you recovery from all your past hurts. And always be thankful to the Lord that maybe yung mga pinagdadaanan mo is really making you a better person. God bless.